Welcome to the new video. So the next question is, draw the following diagram in which ray of light is incident on a concave or convex mirror. On your answer sheet, show the path of this ray after reflection in each case. So we have to tell what is the reflection. The light is incident in this direction on a concave lens, and when it is convex lens, it is incident ray. When it is convex lens, it is incident at the bottom of the focal length. So we have to draw the reflection ray. So let's see the solution. So when it is reflected at one direction, it will go straight, and when it is reflected incident at it, this angle, it will be straight after that. And when it is fall at an angle 60 degree, so it will be reflected on a 60-degree angle. So this is the answer of this question. Thank you.